Lights, camera, action. Whether you dream of crafting powerful narratives, working behind the camera, or diving deep into film history and theory, the UK offers a stellar selection of universities to ignite your filmmaking passion. Let's dive into the top 10 UK universities for filmmaking. Kicking things off at number 10, we have the University of Birmingham. Here, you'll find inspiration amongst award-winning authors like Professor Ruth Gilligan, and learn from renowned poets such as Professor Luke Kennan. This university is perfect for those who want to find their creative voice in the world of film and storytelling. At number 9, the University of Edinburgh. With masterclasses from both internal and visiting staff, this university offers a unique opportunity to learn from professionals who exhibit internationally in film and television. Ranked at 8, the University of Bristol offers an unbeatable environment for aspiring filmmakers. With its strong connections to local partners like Watershed Media Centre and international giants such as the BBC and the British Film Institute, you'll be right at the heart of the filmmaking world. Number 7 brings us to the University of East Anglia. This is where you can immerse yourself in the art of crafting narratives that captivate audiences. Their BA in film and television production, with an optional placement year, gives you real-world experience that sets you up for success. At number 6, we have the University of Glasgow. This program is excellent preparation for careers in media, arts, and cultural industries. Graduates have gone on to work for BBC Studios, the British Film Institute, and more. Next up at number 5, the University of Aberdeen. Their filmmaking program blends creativity with theory, helping you think beyond the film frame. You'll also benefit from events at the prestigious George Washington Wilson Centre for Visual Culture. At number 4, the University of Warwick is one of the leading centres in the UK for film and television research. Here, you'll study everything from early cinema to the digital age, while exploring a range of independent and international films. At number 3, we have the University of Manchester. Here, you'll engage with both classical and contemporary films, and explore issues of identity and representation. With top-notch facilities and teachers, Manchester is a fantastic choice for aspiring filmmakers. Coming in at number 2, Lancaster University offers a stimulating course that balances close film analysis with production techniques. You'll dive into cinema history while developing an in-depth understanding of filmmaking, from Victorian novelty to global media business. And finally, at number 1, we have the University of Exeter. Known for its access to acclaimed actors, directors, and film critics through events like the Creative Dialogues Lecture Series, Exeter ranks in the top 5 for film student satisfaction within the Russell Group. There you have it, 10 outstanding UK universities offering filmmaking courses that can help you bring your creative visions to life. Whether you're looking to study theory, hands-on production, or explore the history of cinema, these institutions have it all. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Let us know in the comments which university or course caught your attention the most.